optimal height. And feel the quality of the vitreous china.
The journey of creating a classic ceramic toilet begins deep within the earth. Mountains of raw materials begin their journey destined to become modern ceramic toilets. The journey of a modern toilet begins with the precise intake of raw materials. Automated systems ensure every component is weighed with absolute precision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. This seamless blend of power and precision sets the stage for advanced manufacturing. The journey begins as raw materials like clay and kaolin are meticulously transported on massive conveyor belts. Automated feeders precisely sort and deliver the raw materials into giant hoppers, demonstrating advanced material handling. An extreme wide shot reveals the truly immense scale of multiple house-sized ball mills dominating the factory floor. With an unstoppable force, the massive cylindrical body of a ball mill begins its powerful grinding rotation. Water is precisely introduced into the ball mill, beginning the crucial transformation from solid minerals to liquid slip. The continuous, powerful rumble of the operating ball mills fills the air, a testament to their tireless, precise work. Robotic sensors continuously monitor the consistency and quality of the slip, ensuring absolute perfection. Real-time data on digital screens ensure impeccable control over every stage of material preparation. The intricate network of pipes efficiently guides the liquid slip towards the next vital manufacturing stage. The prepared slip moves onward, poised for transformation into the final product. Here, raw materials transform into the very essence of a toilet structure. In seconds, raw materials are transformed into precisely formed ceramic bodies. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Advanced robotics ensure precision and consistency in every step. This automated marvel creates consistent, high-density ceramic products. Every piece is a testament to technological precision and consistent quality. Millions of toilet bodies are formed with unmatched speed and quality. Advanced AGVs ensure seamless material flow, transporting delicate units through the automated factory. The green toilets arrive at the drying chamber, a critical step in their transformation. The automated transfer zone operates with flawless precision, ensuring every product's journey is optimized. Precise temperature and humidity controls ensure uniform drying, vital for structural integrity. Controlled drying prevents microcracks, ensuring the durability and flawless finish of the final product. This special dye seeps into the smallest imperfections, revealing what's invisible to the naked eye. Under ultraviolet light, even the most minute structural flaws glow vividly, instantly flagged for removal. This unwavering commitment to quality ensures only flawless ceramic units advance. Only units passing this rigorous test move forward, embodying true manufacturing excellence. Robotic precision ensures every toilet receives a flawless antibacterial glaze. Robotic arms dance with fluid precision, ensuring a consistent layer across every curve. Every surface, including intricate internal components, receives a uniform protective coating. Each unit emerges uniformly coated, a testament to automated perfection. Unwavering consistency is achieved through advanced sensory feedback systems. The automated glazing booth, where technology meets flawless finishing. Post-glazing, each toilet glows with its new durable and hygienic surface. Automated glazing sets the stage for the next crucial stage, kiln firing. The automated glazing process, the zenith of precision and hygiene in toilet manufacturing. Inside, the colossal kiln toilets undergo vitrification, transformed by extreme heat. Precise temperature control ensures each toilet achieves its flawless, durable finish. Traveling through the immense kiln, each toilet is transformed into a hard, non-porous ceramic. Inside, the colossal kiln raw ceramic transforms through intense heat. Automated systems guide the ceramic through temperatures up to 1200 degrees Celsius. Robotic precision ensures every unit endures consistent firing. Exiting the furnace, a new level of durability and hygiene is achieved. Robotic mechanisms ensure precise positioning vital for perfect vitrification. The finished toilets and now vitrified emerge glowing a faint residual red. A final gradual cooling phase ensures product integrity and prepares them for inspection. The vitrified ceramic now displays its perfect glossy and durable finish. Each perfectly formed toilet is now prepared for rigorous functional testing. Each toilet undergoes rigorous vacuum testing, ensuring flawless performance. Powerful vacuums verify the trapway's integrity, preventing any blockages or leaks. Automated systems meticulously scrutinize every unit for ultimate quality and reliability. Upon successful testing, the unit is cleared for the next stage of its journey. Precision engineering meets rigorous testing to ensure every toilet meets the highest standards. Automated systems initiate a powerful flush, utilizing vibrant colored water for clear visualization. To verify efficiency, simulated solid waste is introduced and effectively cleared. Advanced laser scanning technology meticulously inspects for any potential leaks. To guarantee durability, load-bearing tests ensure the toilet can withstand substantial force. Having passed every rigorous assessment, the finished toilet is ready for packaging. Precision robotics ensure every toilet is sealed to perfection, guaranteeing reliability. Advanced sensors meticulously detect even the smallest leak, upholding our rigorous quality standards. Durability is paramount, with each unit enduring extreme stress to ensure long-lasting performance. The flawless high-gloss finish is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and automated precision. From raw material to final package, every step ensures a superior product ready for installation. The journey concludes as each precision-engineered toilet undergoes meticulous automated packaging. Robotic precision ensures each toilet is nested securely, ready for dispatch. Each package is automatically labeled and prepared for efficient distribution worldwide.
The rimless design ensures optimal hygiene.
And feel the quality of the vitreous china. It's incredibly smooth and durable.
Just need a signature right here.
All right, thanks.